When the original DJI Neo hit the market, it made serious waves. It wasn't just another entry-level drone, it was one of DJI's most budget-friendly models, yet packed with features that far exceeded expectations. Unlike typical beginner drones, the Neo supported smartphone controls, the DJI RCN3 controller compatibility with DJI Goggles 3 for immersive FPV flying. This meant casual users could enjoy simple flights, while enthusiasts could dive into high-performance FPV experiences without breaking the bank. It wasn't perfect in every category, but its value-for-money ratio was unmatched. Now, DJI is gearing up to launch its successor, the DJI Neo2. FCC filings reveal. DJI Neo2's modular future-leaked FCC filings have given us an early peek into what DJI is planning. While not a full reveal, these documents hint at a major shift in strategy for DJI's entry-level lineup. Key FCC insights: Neo2 and digital transceiver. The filings list the DJI Neo2 under model number DN225, alongside a second listing, the DJI Neo2 digital transceiver, model DP1. This caught the attention of drone enthusiasts worldwide. Why? Because it suggests DJI may be decoupling OcuSync transmission, one of its most powerful features, and offering it as an external, optional module. What is OcuSync and why it matters? OcuSync is DJI's proprietary video transmission tech. It delivers high-definition, low-latency video feeds, long-range connectivity, seamless pairing with controllers and FPV goggles. Most DJI drones come with OcuSync built in. Even the first Neo offered both Wi-Fi and OcuSync out of the box. But the Neo2's FCC listing shows support only for Wi-Fi 5, GERT's Wi-Fi 2.4, GERT's GFSK protocol. No mention of OcuSync, unless you add the digital transceiver module. The Neo2 digital transceiver. Unlocking pro features. According to FCC RF test results, the transceiver module supports OcuSync at 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz outputs. Up to 26 dBm RF power, uses dual antennas, runs on a 5V input, making it compact and lightweight out of the box. The Neo2 will likely work with just a smartphone or the DJI motion controller. Perfect for beginners. But if you want the full DJI experience with RCN3, Goggles 3, and extended range, you'll need the transceiver.